So I'm here in Gilbert, Arizona, about 30 miles from Phoenix. Now, I love coming down here. I get to rip around in the desert in my razor. There's great food, really cool people, like the story of this place. Let's see, the dude is from Sicily, Italy. He moves to New York, meets his wife, has a family, and then they all move here to Gilbert to open a pizza joint. That's right, this is Sal's Gilbert Pizza.
Upside down Sicilian, ready?
It's a slice of New York in the middle of the desert.
Grab my pizza.
Flavors are outstanding. You can smell it when you walk in the door.
Thanks to Chef Sal Cufaro, who took over this pizza pasta joint in 2005. So is this New York style? Is this Italian style?
The New York style American pizza, I guess.
Okay. Plus a little of his own style.
Lasagna pizza, ready?
Which means piling the pies with pasta.
Baked Ziti pizza.
I love baked ziti on the side. I also love thin crust pizza. You put the two of them together, makes a perfect pie.
What kind of pizza do we make?
We gotta make baked Ziti pizza.
Baked ziti pizza, baked ziti pizza, baked... Come on, doesn't it have a sound to it?
We're gonna do the dough first. We started with water.
Room temperature water?
Yeah. Then we put salt, sugar, extra virgin olive oil.
Of course. Who taught you how to make pizza?
I used to watch my mother make pizza. Then we put the yeast.
All of that together?
Now we gotta put the flour in.
High gluten flour, got it.
We wait
All right.
about 10 minutes.
This is like skilled labor for me. We're gonna make the ziti?
Oh, yeah, let's put the pasta in the water first.
Okay.
Then we put some marinara sauce, some cream, seasoning, salt and pepper. Let it cook for about a few minutes.
Okay. Little butter?
Little butter, ready Parmesan cheese, parsley.
Okay.
Pasta is ready to go in.
We'll let the pasta finish cooking in the sauce, right?
Yeah, about a couple minutes, and then now we're gonna par bake the pizza dough.
We're gonna par bake the pizza dough. Otherwise, because if we put that hot, it would cook right through the pizza dough.
All right. Okay, we gotta put some oat milk mozzarella.
A little bit of cheese.
We're gonna put the pasta now.
And I try that, right? And very nice.
Very nice. A little more mozzarella, a little more
Okay.
ready Parmesan. We'll put it back in the oven. In about a couple minutes.
It's ready to go.
There we go.
The dough is nice and crispy. I love pasta. I love pizza. But the key is, pasta's got to be al dente.
Yes.
And the dough has to be crispy. That right there, that's the optimum bite. If I could come in and get this, I'd be here 2 or 3 times a week. Nice job, man.
Thank you.
The sauce itself on the pizza is delicious.
It's perfect. I can't decide what I want, pizza, pasta, both.